In today's video, I will walk you through how to change VAT scheme in Xero. Start by going to the Accounting section from the top bar of your Xero account. Click on Accounting to open the menu, then select Accounting Settings. Once you've entered Accounting Settings, look for Financial Settings and click on it. This will take you to the Financial Settings area, where you can manage your VAT configurations. Next, locate the VAT IT Details section. This is where you can make changes to your VAT information. Within the VAT IT Details section, locate the VAT Scheme option. From here, you can edit the VAT scheme and select the required scheme for your business. If you also need to update other VAT information, this section allows you to adjust details such as the VAT period, how frequently you report and pay VAT, and the VAT number. Review the available VAT-related financial settings and make any required changes. Once you've made the necessary updates, check the information to make sure the VAT scheme and other VAT details are correct. The process starts from the Accounting section in the top bar. Select Accounting, then choose Accounting Settings from the menu. From Accounting Settings, select Financial Settings. Then locate the VAT IT Details section to access your VAT information. From there, edit the VAT scheme and make any other required changes to the VAT period, reporting frequency, payment frequency, or VAT number. After reviewing the updated information, you have completed the process of changing the VAT scheme in Xero. The VAT settings have now been updated based on the information you've entered. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Thank you for watching.